Hello and welcome to my YouTube video. In this video, I'd like to express my feelings about encouragement to anyone who has tried and is about to give up on making a unique video of themselves. Let's start with the basics. Choosing the right equipment is crucial for high-quality video production. Well, I'm still saving money to have one. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup. Because I am still saving to have one too, to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Come up with the next brainstorm ideas. Plan your video content carefully. What message do you want to convey to your audience? Remember, storytelling is key. Engage your viewers by creating compelling narratives that resonate with them. When it comes to shooting, pay attention to framing, composition, and exposure. These factors greatly impact the visual appeal of your videos. Don't underestimate the power of editing. Take the time to cut, to rearrange, and to enhance your footage to create a polished final product. Choose appropriate music and sound effects to enhance the mood and atmosphere of your videos. As I'm still striving for perfection, keep your videos concise and focused. Viewers have short attention spans, so make every second count. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, formats, and techniques to keep your videos fresh and exciting. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, creating a sense of community all around your channel. Be patient, be persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Take advantage of the analytics provided by YouTube to understand your audience and optimize your content accordingly. Collaborate with other creators. Share your knowledge, experiences. The YouTube community is supportive and collaborative. Promote your videos through social media platforms. Engage with your followers to increase your reach. When need, take breaks and recharge. Burnout can hurt the quality of your videos and your overall motivation. But remember, practice makes perfect. The more you create, the better you will become. At video production, embrace constructive criticism, feedback to continuously improve your skills, the qualities of your videos, and most importantly, never lose sight of your passion. The reason why you getting started creating videos in the first place. So don't give up. Keep pushing forward. And soon, your video dreams will become a reality. Finally, I wish for everyone to have great help and a great life Thank you for watching.